How to fix Wi-Fi not showing in Windows PC. In this video I will show you 3 methods. I hope it will fix your problem. First, open Device Manager. Expand Network Adapter. You can find name of your network adapter by the following step. Open Run and type the following command. In here you can find your name of the network adapter. Disable and enable your network adapter. Now try again and your problem should be fixed.
If that didn't work,
right-click on Start and click on Setting. Click on Network and Internet. Click on Advanced Network Setting. Click on Network Reset. Click on Reset Now. Now restart your computer. Step 3, Open Setting. Open Troubleshoot. Open Other Troubleshoot. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.